right now I'm using the V1. It's super easy. I am using the mic because my air conditioner over there, right? The bearings are going out in it and it's super loud. And if you hear that noise in the background, I don't think you can hear it because I have my audio set right. I hope that you can't hear it, but it drives me up the wall. Anyway, that's why I'm using the external microphone. The microphone on this camera is great, but when I've got crap going on in the background, I can't deal with it.